Hey guys. So today I'll be teaching Wylock 2nd grade worksheet lesson 5. So don't forget to write down your name and the date. Pattern rule, skip count. Example, what is the pattern rule? Example, count by twos, write the numbers on the blank. Since it's counting by twos, add 2 boxes each time. So 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, and 8 plus 2 is 10, and 10 plus 2 is 12. 12 boxes. The answers will be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 boxes, since we're counting up by twos. Let's do number 1 first. Count by threes, write the numbers in the blank. So since we're counting by threes, we add by 3. So this one's 3, and you add 3, and that's 6, and 6 plus 3 equals 9, and 9 plus 3 is 12, and 12 plus 3 is 15, and 15 plus 3 is 18. We're just counting up with threes, and it's easier to think about it when you're just adding by threes from this number right here. So it'll be 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. So in the total, we have 18 clouds. From the original number in each group, just add up by 3. So it'll be 3 plus 3 equals 6, and 6 plus 3 equals 9, and 9 plus 3 equals 12, and 12 plus 3 equals 15, and 15 plus 3 equals 18 clouds. Pattern rule continued. Number 2. Count by fours, write the numbers in the blank. Fours, so we're counting up by fours, so let's have a plus 4 rule right there. So we will have to do 4 plus 4, and just a reminder, we're adding 4 each time. So 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus 4 is 16, and 16 plus 4 is 20, and 20 plus 4 is 24. You don't have to add it really quickly, you could take your time and add. And if you really don't understand counting up by fours or counting by fours, you could just count it out. So this group has 4, and then 5, 6, 7, 8. That's going to take you a little longer, but when you're getting used to it and having it quickly in your head by counting up by fours, 2s or 5s or 6s, then you'll get it better understanding of it. So before 8, 12, 16, 20, and 24, since we're adding by fours. So kind of look like this. 4 plus 4 equals 8, 8 plus 4 equals 12, 12 plus 4 equals 16, 16 plus 4 equals 20, and 20 plus 4 equals 24 stars. Now let's do number 4. It says, count by sixes, write the numbers in the blank. So we're counting by sixes, so we should add by 6. So we're just going to write plus 6 to help us a little bit. Okay, so 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 6 is 18. 18 plus 6 is 24. 24 plus 6 is 36. It's 30. And 30 plus 6 is 36. And it's easier when you think about the adding 6 instead of just jumping up from 6. So it looked like 6 plus 6 equals 12. 12 plus 6 equals 18. 18 plus 6 equals 24. 24 plus 6 is 30 and not 36. And 30 plus 6 equals 36 diamonds. So I write 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, and 36 diamonds. You could also see it as in 6 times 1 equals 6, 6 times 2 equals 12, 6 times 3 equals 18, 6 times 4 equals 24, 6 times 5 equals 30, and 6 times 6 equals 36. But that way is a little harder, so just keep adding until you get more used to your multiplication facts. Now, number 2. If the pattern rule is counting by threes, what is the number in the blank? So we're counting up by threes. Counting by threes means we're adding 3. So it's going up, the number. It's getting bigger. So it's 33, 36, and since we're adding each time a 3, so it'll be 33 plus 3 equals 36, and 36 plus 3 would equal 39, since we're counting up by threes. Now, number 4. If the pattern rule is counting by fives, what number is in the blank? So this blank right here, we're counting up by fives, which means we're adding up by fives. So the number again gets bigger. So 75 plus blank plus blank plus 5 equals 85. So 75 plus 5 would equal 80, and 80 plus 5 would equal 85. Just like this, 75 plus 5 equals 80, and 80 plus 5 equal 85. Let's do number 1. Alma has 2 more candies than Jake. Jake has 2 more candies than Grace. If Grace has 4 candies, how many candies can Alma have? Hint: figure out the amount of Jake's candies first. So we have to figure out, the hint tells us to figure out how many candies Jake has. So we know that Grace has 4 candies, and we also know that Jake has 2 more, which is plus 2, than Grace. So we know our key details. Grace has 4 candies, and Alma has 2 more candies than Jake. Jake has 2 more candies than Grace. So knowing that, let's say Jake is red. So Grace has 4, but Jake has 2 more candies than Grace. So 4 plus 2, which is meaning that Grace has 4 candies and Jake has 2 more. And 2 more means plus 2. So 4 plus 2 equals 6. So we know that Jake has 6 candies. And now we know the amount that Grace has and the amount that Jake has. Now let's say Alma is green, and Alma has 2 more, which again means plus 2, than Jake. So Jake has 6 candies, so 6 plus 2 equals 8. So Alma has 8 candies. Okay, last problem, question number 3. You want to play the violin for a total of 24 minutes. You have played it for 12 minutes, which is meaning you already played it for 12 minutes already, but your total goal time is 24. How many more minutes will you play? So we know that we played for 12 minutes already, but we want to have a goal time of 24 minutes. So we want to play for 24 minutes, but we already played for 12 minutes. So 24 minus 12 is 12. So you will have to play for 12 more minutes. Okay, that's it.